how to upload a horizontal video on TikTok. So first, what you need to do is you need to go to this plus icon right here on the screen to upload a video, and from here you can choose your horizontal video. As you can see, this is the horizontal video I want to choose. This video right here, I'm just going to select it and tap on next. So this is the first option that you have of the horizontal video that has two big black bars on the top and the bottom as well. This doesn't look quite pleasing, so it would be better if the video covered the entire screen. Now to do that, you want to go to this TikTok studio mode where you can edit the video, and you just select the video right here. From here you can go to crop, and you can try to adjust these dimensions right here, but I suggest you leave it to the free form. Now if you scroll a bit to the right, you can see this rotate option. Now as you can see, the video now has covered the entire screen. So if you do that, this video will cover the entire screen like this, and it will look full and better. So that's how you upload a widescreen video on TikTok. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.